What the hell?
Hey guys, all the action's over here.
Quagmire, what is all this?
Peter's new coworker gave me an idea. Welcome to Disabled Ladies Night.
Mine are made from teak. What are yours made from?
Yeah, mine are actually just pressboard with wood veneer. I can't get wet.
Oh, I think I see my friends.
Hey, you guys enjoy the carnival. I'm gonna get a drink at the bar. Hey, anyone sitting here?
No, go ahead.
Thanks. Hey, would you like to go out sometime?
Wow, that was fast.
Yeah, well, you know, I read somewhere that women decide within the first 7 seconds if they're interested in you or not, so I figured I wouldn't waste anybody's time.
Fair enough. Sure, let's go out.
Really?
Yeah, like you said, I've already decided. I'm Kate.
I'm Brian. Hey, you want to go outside, maybe a little quieter?
Sure.
Oh, my God,
Hey, check out Brian with a blind chick. Hey, don't worry, Brian. You're still doing better than Quagmire. He got a hooker.
Ah!
No, but she is a prostitute.
Listen, you know, we can do something else if you want.
Why? I'm having a good time.
Well, I mean, I just don't know how much fun it is for a blind person to go to the movies.
Brian, blind people go to the movies all the time. We just listen. I might be blind, but my brain has been trained to listen to any movie and know exactly what's happening on screen. Like, I love Titanic.
I'm the king of the world! Woo!
So, you sure you don't need me to come in? Maybe show you to your bed?
Pretty sure I can find it. Thanks. Maybe next time I'll have trouble, though. You might have to help me find it next time.
So there's a next time.
Definitely.
Great. Well, all right, good night.
Ugh, our stupid neighbor's dog barks 24/7. God, I hate dogs.
You do?
Yeah, they're just slobbery, annoying, needy little bastards. I'm just not really a dog person, I guess.
Oh, yeah, me neither. Dog people can get pretty annoying.